Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can pair to another Bluetooth device on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then we're going to swipe down at the top, and then tap on the settings icon. Once you're in here, tap on connections, then tap on Bluetooth, and then make sure that the device that you are trying to connect to is switched on and Bluetooth visible. So I'm going to open up my Galaxy Buds case. In here, once I open up the case, it becomes visible, and you can see my phone will attempt to connect, offer me to connect to the device. Now, if your device does not offer an auto connect option, then you can tap on it. So you can tap on the available devices here, and then it will try to pair. And then from the Bluetooth pairing request, tap on OK to accept. Now once it's paired with my Galaxy Buds Pro, it automatically goes to the apps. Now this is because this is the Galaxy Buds, so the phone knows what it's trying to connect to. That's why it's opened up the app. If you are pairing to a standard Bluetooth device and there is no apps available for that Bluetooth device, then all you really get is just the information screen right here. So you get like an information screen saying that device has been successfully paired, and then you can tap on the settings icon. And here, depending on what you are connecting to, there will be additional options which you can change. And that's it. For example, with the Galaxy Buds Plus, I've got the option to use for calls or audios. If you have a Bluetooth speakers, the option may be different. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.